Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video we're going to talk about how can I add a new array element at the beginning of an array in the JavaScript. Okay, so if you are familiar with an array, so you would know that to add the value to an array we have to use the push method, but it adds the value to the end of the array. Okay, but what do we want here is to add the element at the beginning. So for that we have another method. We're going to simply use the unshift method, and we will also do it in another way. So let me just now demonstrate this to you. Okay, so I have to create an array here. We have an array now, and now I'm going to simply console log my array. Let's just run this. So I'm gonna simply use the unshift method, which will simply add the single element to our array dot. I have to write the name of my array here, and now I have to provide the value, which is 3 here, and run the code again, and we would have a new value to the beginning of an array. Okay, so this is how you can add the new element at the beginning of an array in the JavaScript. But what if you want to add the multiple values? Okay, we have another solution. So we're gonna simply use the concat method. All right, so let me just remove this here. You want to add the multiple values to your array at the beginning, or just want to add another array to your array at the beginning. So for that we have to create a variable here. So we have another array and we have the my array. So I will simply use the concat method to combine the values of another array at the beginning of my array. Alright, so I'm gonna simply use new array, and I'm gonna write dot concat, and I will provide my array here. Console log the new array. Okay, so as you can see here, we have added the elements of another array to our my array at the beginning, but you can also give the 2 values only. So I just don't want to go with whole array, I just want to go with the values. Okay, so I'm gonna simply write here 12 and want to give some multiple values, so I will simply copy this. All right, run it again. So now we would simply have the 12 for the 3 times, because we have added the 3 times at the beginning of my array. So this is how you can add the element at the beginning of an array in the JavaScript. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.